The Kanban view helps handle tasks or process states in a visual way. In the Kanban view, you can work with records as if they were cards on a board. These cards can represent the tasks, and they are divided into columns that represent the states of the tasks. You can change the state of a card by simply dragging it into the next column. Now let's take a look at the Kanban view in practice. First, select the Kanban view from the drop-down menu right above the table. Then we need to configure the view. You need to choose an attribute which values will represent the Kanban board columns. We will select the state attribute. The second attribute is helpful if you work with linked tables. For example, we can have a task table linked to the projects table, and we may want to use the state of the project as a Kanban board columns, but use the tasks from the second table as Kanban cards. The third attribute you can set is a due date. If you set this attribute, Lumeer will then show you if the tasks are overdue or due soon. With this attribute, you may want to select the done state, so the already done cards are not highlighted as overdue. The visuals of the Kanban board are highly customizable. You can rearrange the columns or the order of the cards as you wish. Hiding the settings is also possible. The view will then be more clear. By clicking on the cards icon in the search bar, you can open a context menu. There you can set which card contents you may want to be visible and rearrange the contents order. You can also order the cards by some of the card fields. Sometimes you may want to have a summarized value from all the cards in a column. Just choose the attribute you want to summarize and the function used to calculate the value. The sum is the default function. We can also use it to, for example, count the number of cards in each column. Lastly, you can choose to display the value or display it as a percentage of all the columns. When you hover over the cards, you can change the values directly in the Kanban view. You can also view the card in a detailed view or delete it. Adding new cards is straightforward. There is a Create New Record button on the bottom of each column.